This is a 72-piece set of motivational stress balls. I was sent these from Jerified to review, so let me show you a closer look. They just come right here in the box. I love that there's no plastic waste, honestly. They are a varied density. Some of them are a lot softer than others. This one's really hard. They're not squishies. There are 6 colors. The saying correlates with the color, so that's 6 colors and 6 different phrases. We've got yellow saying, strong, smart, fearless. Red says, yes, I can do it. Blue says, be calm, be quiet, be kind. Green says, take a deep breath. Orange says, don't give up. And pink says, make it happen. Really great bulk gift. These would be great for like kids who like to play catch and bounce and stuff like that at school, for recess toys and stuff. These are great for stress relief, for hand exercising, for your office and party giveaways. Made of soft, elastic PU foam, they are just great for squishing and throwing and bouncing. Huge bulk set, that means budget friendly. Vivid colors. Great set, I love them and I know you will too.